Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a birth stat elephant using your Cricut machine and heat transfer vinyl. This is a very trendy project, and for good reason, because it is so easy and affordable to make and makes a very cute gift for a newborn baby. I'm gonna walk you through everything step by step. I started with this stuffed elephant I got on Amazon. It comes in a few different colors, and you can find the link to this and the rest of the products I'm using in the description of this video. I created the designs for the ears in Canva. Of course, for the design you can do anything you want. For mine, on one ear I did a monogram in the background with the name in the foreground, and on the other ear I did the birth stats with some heart borders in between. The monogram and the hearts will be pink glitter heat transfer vinyl, and the name and stats will be in white heat transfer vinyl. So once I had all my designs laid out how I wanted them, I separated the designs into 4 parts so that they would be cut out in their separate vinyl colors. When you upload the images to Cricut Design Space, the sizing will depend on how long of a name you're using, how many stats you included, and just the general shape of your design. So just be sure to measure the space inside the ears and resize your design so that it will fit within the flat part inside the ears. I cut some pieces of heat transfer vinyl down to size and placed them shiny side down on my standard grip cutting mat. Shiny side down is very important because that's the carrier sheet your iron will press against. So you need to cut the design out from the underside that will lay against the elephant ear. For this reason, you also need to make sure you mirror the design in Cricut Design Space before cutting. That way, when you flip over to the carrier sheet, your design will be facing the right direction. Once the cut is done, you can weed all of the excess vinyl from your design. And then you're ready to apply them to the elephant. For the ear with the name and monogram, I needed to lay down the glitter monogram first and then layer the white name on top of it. I laid them both down to get an idea of the layout. Then I used my Cricut EASYPRESS Mini on medium heat to apply the monogram to the ear. I used a piece of parchment paper for some extra protection so that I wouldn't melt the fuzzy fur on the elephant. Because I will be layering the white heat transfer vinyl over top of the monogram, I didn't press the monogram for as long as I usually would because I will be putting more heat on it with the second layer and I don't want it to shrivel up. So I just did it for long enough to remove the carrier sheet, and then I layered the name on top and pressed for a full 30 seconds on the whole design, including the monogram. Then on the other ear, I started with the white text because the spacing with the hearts will be easier once the text is placed. I was having trouble getting it to stick when using the parchment paper, so I just removed it and pressed directly on the carrier sheet, which didn't cause any damage to the fur, but just be careful in case something melts. And here is the final result. I think the combination of the white and pink glitter looks so nice together against the gray, and they complement the pink elephant beautifully. Of course, you can do this with any colors of heat transfer vinyl you want. This is a super quick project and makes such a great keepsake gift for a newborn baby. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what sort of projects you'd like to see in the future. See you later!